Is eBay flipping a good side hustle? No, it is not. Don't be swayed by the gurus claiming otherwise, especially if they're selling a course on how to make money flipping on eBay. Why isn't it a good side hustle? The main reason is eBay's unfavorable return policy and money-back guarantee for sellers. Even if you list an item with a no returns policy, buyers can still file a return, which might end up costing you more than what you sold the product for. I recently had this experience. Despite disabling returns on eBay and clearly stating no returns accepted and sold as is, the platform still sided with the buyer after multiple support chats and phone calls. This allowed a fraudulent return to go through. There are countless eBay seller horror stories on Reddit and YouTube. Sometimes scammers will return a completely different or damaged product. Sometimes they will return an empty box. In addition to the flawed return policy that favors scammers, there are also numerous fees: listing fees, final value fees, taxes, and more. Your auction likely won't get any visibility unless you pay for ads on the platform, which can be as high as 10% or more. Does it get worse? Yes, these headaches come on top of the time, money, and energy you'll spend packing and shipping items. Additionally, eBay is flooded with products from companies like Temu in China, which can ship for free thanks to the de minimis loophole. This loophole allows Chinese sellers to avoid taxes on imports to the USA, making it harder for individual sellers to compete. In summary, while it's possible to make money flipping items on eBay, a better option is to use Facebook Marketplace, which is 100% free. Check the link in the description for a list of over 1,000 items you can flip on Facebook Marketplace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more videos like this one. Have any questions about flipping or other side hustles? Leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day.